Good morning, this is Jeff Goldstein with MeasureMove.com. It's Thursday morning. Wanted to take a look at the euro dollar. This is the euro futures contract, the E-mini, the March contract, currently trading one spot 35.90. And I just wanted to point out, as we have had this pretty steep sell-off, we're sort of entering what I see a consolidation pattern about to develop. Some people refer to this as a triangle formation, and so I will highlight exactly how and what I'm seeing. If we pull from our 38.56 highs to our most recent lows, which came in at these 135 level, okay, we had the measured move short that found participation, okay. And if you recall, I was short here, and then we did break out, okay. This 61.8% line was violated, and so the short has failed, okay. Now, so as soon as the short fails, we look for the next measured move long, okay. And so what we do is we could take the same lows, the 3,500 lows, to yesterday's highs, and the long setup found some participation, okay, and basically just gave way. So that has also failed. So the short has failed and the long setup has failed. Now typically, I'm going to leave these drawings up. Now typically what will happen now is price will move back inside and consolidate in between these two 50% lines, the original long and the original short. Okay, so that's why I'm leaving these drawings up here. I expect price to move inside of these two lines and consolidate, and then find a breakout. And this is how a triangle formation develops. Okay, we have a break of two 61.8% lines here. All right, so don't get all chopped up in this right now, and this could be just potentially a very tricky and difficult price action to trade. I expect we will move up inside of this, and this will be the top of our range. This will be the bottom of our range, and it may take a couple of days or so for this to resolve itself. Now, the direction of the trend, as I see it, looking at a weekly chart, okay, is lower. Okay, so what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to sit back right here. I don't want to really get long. Okay, but I'm just going to let this let price action move up into and find the top of a range right here. Okay, the 36.78 front run by 4, which is also a previous swing high, looks to be a good entry point. Now we're about 90 pips away from that right now. Can you play counter trend moves? Sure, but for right now, I'm just going to sit back on this euro. I have some other markets that I'm focusing in on, and we'll touch on that later this afternoon. So for now, again, as a repeat, we're going to consolidate on this euro. I feel like we're going to come into this triangle formation after the break of two 61.8% lines on a daily chart, and price action will move inside of these two 50% lines. This I'm anticipating to be the top end of our range, and this will be the bottom end of our range. We'll check in later this afternoon. Have a great day, and we'll see you later.